Those who watch this channel know that I have every cooling device. However, they all require electricity. And a certain power company, unnamed, keeps cutting my power. So here's a backup. It's certainly not going to replace my air conditioner. But what can it do? If you work in a warm office with a warm computer and your coworkers won't let you turn up the AC, well, this could be a solution. You can set this up on your desk. It's very portable, so if you're traveling, especially if you're camping, you can take this along. It's powered by USB and includes a USB cord. However, it didn't come with a plug. That's not the worst thing in the world, because you probably have a dozen of these from old cell phones. Because it's powered by USB, you can hook it up to your favorite battery pack. Like this one, or this one. Did I mention that I lose power often? This is a personal cooling device. It will not cool an entire room. In fact, it may not even cool all of you. It has adjustable slats in the front, so you can direct the flow. When on a table, you can cool your face, your neck, your chest, but the bottom half of you might still be hot. How cool you feel depends on your humidity level. If you live in a dry climate like Arizona, it's going to work well. But if you live in Florida, don't bother. My humidity is around 50%, which is about borderline. Perhaps this is why I experienced only 50% cooling. How does this thing work? It's a mini swamp cooler, although evaporative cooler is the preferred term these days. A fan directs dry, hot air over a wet membrane, and it comes out as cool, wet air. These membranes look a lot like cardboard. But don't be fooled, they're high-tech. First, they're made of an inorganic compound, basically basalt, which is a rock, which comes from a volcano. Mold and bacteria shouldn't grow on this, which is important for someone like myself who has allergies. Although I would still dry this out completely when you store it. According to Evapolar, the manufacturer, this cartridge should be replaced every 3 to 6 months or so. Fortunately, it's very easy to come by on your favorite online store. This cooler is very lightweight and very easy to use, although it did take me a minute or two to figure it out. Here you have a button on the top and 3 different speeds. Here in the back is the USB. And make sure you cover that up before filling with water. And let's try to open it. Take both hands, push this out, and now, if you look at the top, you could actually pull this off. Oh, what have we here? It's a little funnel. If you wish, you could take out the membrane cartridge. This can flip up and has a nice little handle, so you could take this to the sink. And at the very, very top is a little hole right there. And this is where the little funnel goes in, kind of like there. And then you would go to the sink and fill up right there. How are you staying cool this summer? Comment below. Nighty-night.